YouTube, it's M Vision. Welcome to Brooklyn. Let me slide down here. Ooh. See what's going on today in Brooklyn. Do me a favor, join the family, subscribe, smash that like. Let's go for a drive. We ain't gonna run no light now. It's YouTube. What's going on here? It's like it's gonna be amazing summer though, I could tell. The weather nice, amazing. That's to appreciate it. See what the streets have to offer for the views today, right? It's that time again too for some walking vlogs too. Y'all gonna be getting a lot of vlogs, man. Just support the vlogs, you understand? Yeah, right now we on Utica right here. You want a Benz over there, so you can come buy a Benz, you know, dog. Yeah. Still up Utica and some other one. I don't really talk too much in my videos them, bro. You see it sometimes I don't even like to talk, dog, I swear. I observe more than I talk always from younger. I always like observe and watch and listen and learn. You see it? See it? I don't have nothing to say. I don't say nothing, bro. Yeah, big up on yourself. Watch it. 1, 2, 3. You know, such a small space or so much stuff. Benz a lift up out here. You mount a camera in a one little space, bro. Hard for a driver escape all of these judgments that them have to say down, you know what I mean? Like, it's easy. Place look kind of empty today still, you know, see Wednesday still. See, Wednesday, by liquor store, I get some liquor. My bad friends who link me. Life as a YouTuber. Interesting out here. Bling blow. I need to go drill that too, bro. Break one of my chain, I need to go get the fix. I have a bad habit, bro. Sleep in a driller, bro. Break my chain star. Smallest chain I may have, break. Ask himself how much time I can break that chain when I just make it dust. Stop wearing it or stop sleeping it, stop sleeping it. That means yeah. I want to create something awesome today, you know. Something amazing. I know, Star. I wonder what's going on with the fried chicken up there right now, Star. I should have got me yard to consume some. Because it's easier to go me yard. And instead of waiting a line and I have to go look parking and things, you better me do that. Fuck. So much food in my house. No, I have to make up my mind. Traffic thing, you know, bro. I like it. When I have patience with certain things, you see. My patience space real small when you forward to fuck with that. Even one thing. Yeah, man. YouTube outside nice. Tell the people them say them to slap up a like on YouTube, send out the content to the people and make them subscribe to MVision TV because we are the realest out there. You know say them say no all the while, you know, it always rough with the realest set of people, you know say. Because I'm not forward over here with the idiot thing. Come like the channel grow slow, but you want man, a realist run the world, you know, you hear that, you know, F with people. So. Who like it, who don't, so it go. Who bad like that. We not care. Alright now dog. Out there nice, I don't like it. So then when you roll up and split and just drink one cup of coffee and just look, you know, and give thanks and just say yes, star, you know, blessing moment, star, nice. outside. Back on the bicycle. I want them to use that minute to start all cobweb up on it. Oh, no, call people and have blood clot Wi-Fi to receive back call. I want to them a people. Holy blood clot. Right here's a cool. Nice cool spot this. Virgin going with them loud music, man. YouTube will not respond to that Virgin that we are playing music extra loud out here, because I don't know I'm to such man right now, Star. Too early for that, bro. Man, I enjoy my life, yeah, bro. Live your life, yeah, G. Live your life. You don't owe no one nothing. Yeah, G. It's amazing day, man. Giving thanks. That's what it should be. Give thanks, bro. I don't notice me always I telling you that in my video them. Give thanks, cause I really give thanks, bro. Go Park to you know, Star. Virgin, I gonna make me have to wind up them when you know, cause I don't want to turn on the AC right now, bro. See things that me have to go through for create a vlog, bro. Jaja. Traffic. We in a traffic while the whole of the woman them a walk on the sidewalk. Yo, it's rough. See a man out of Pennsylvania jump on a car, you know, bro. Up on the man car door and hang on and I ride. I go down the road. And I say, yo, Jaja. Then him jump off and run on the sidewalk.